What's up, everybody? We're here with the YesWelder Cut-55DS Pro. I got it for $208 on Amazon. Probably got about 5 hours of cutting on it so far. It's hooked up to my Langmeyer Systems 2x2 CNC table. So far, I can't complain about it. I haven't cut anything other than 7 or 11 gauge, but done pretty well with those. A lot different than the titanium cut. Only thing, probably the fan. This fan is loud and it's on all the time. But other than that, it cuts good. Seems like it's pretty well built. If you're interested, I'll leave a link down below. If you're interested in see how you hook this up for torch height control and the trigger's pretty simple, and so is torch height control. But it works for $208. Not a bad idea to have as a spare or just a little portable. Like, subscribe, let me know what you want to see more of. Thanks.